Hello, my name is Suha Salsabila and my NPM is 1921222068, and today I will talk about language-centered course design. So, in language-centered course design, it is simple but logical, it is familiar, and it focuses on linguistic performance of learner, and it aims to direct connection between target situation and ESP courses content, while it also focuses on language needed rather than the whole of language. There are few steps of language-centered course design that you need to do. The first one is to identifying learners' target situation. Second is selecting theoretical views of language. Third is identifying linguistic features of target situation. Fourth is designing materials. And fifth and lastly is to establishing evaluation procedures. There are several weaknesses, as I've quoted here from the book English for Specific Purposes. The first one, that it starts from the learners and their needs. It means that it might be considered a learner-centered approach, means that the learner is simply used as a means of identifying the target situation. Second is the fact that it is static and inflexible procedures, means that it takes a little account of the conflicts and contradictions that are inherent in any human endeavor. And the third is that it is systematic. Knowledge has been systematically analyzed and systematically presented. However, it does not mean that in any way imply that it will be systematically learned, and learners have to make the system meaningful to themselves, and unfortunately we have to admit that we do not know enough about how the mind actually goes about creating its internal system of knowledge. The fourth is that there is no acknowledgement to factors which plays the role in the creation of any course, as the data itself is not important. And the fifth is that the language-centered analysis of the target situation data is only at the surface level. It reveals very little about the competence that underlies the performance. Another quotation here that I've got from the book English for Specific Purposes is that a language-centered approach says that this is the nature of the target situation performance, and that will determine the ESP course. So that was all from me for the language-centered course design part, and here are some references that I've used. Thank you for watching. I'll see you next time.